we're gonna make a school bus. So let's get started. So as I said, we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So we're gonna make different objects using these molds from Polinda. Great tools for schools and home modeling projects. It's safe and non-toxic. It has 10 pieces of molds inside. So let's check it out. Let's open the pack and take this out. Wow, it's interesting. So here are the molds. And let's check them out one at a time, what they look like. Well, this is a palm. Smaller, but yes. This one is a duck. This is a dog. This is an aircraft. This is a foot. This one is a leaf. This is a school bus. This is a butterfly. And this is a cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. And this one is a fish. Alright, so now we have different color of clay. We have yellow. And we have sky blue. And we have red. That's gray. Black. Light green. Dark green. White. Brown. And beige. So we have these colors of clay and these molds. So we have the options what we're gonna make. Let's make this. It's a school bus. Let's keep it aside and get started. Let's take the yellow color clay because most of the time the school buses are yellow in color. Press it with our fingers like this on the tabletop. Let's smooth it out. The other side. Let's spread it with a rolling pin. Let's spread it more. Like this. Let's do it on the other side too. We can use a smaller knife. Now we're going to take the mold and place it over the clay like this. Now we're going to press it well enough so that it cuts the clay and takes the shape of the mold. So we press the mold firmly and remove the extra clay and remove the mold too. So now we have the school bus. You see the wheels? Let's make them now. So we're gonna take the black color clay for the wheels. Take 2 chunks out for 2 wheels. So we roll it in our palms and on the tabletop to make it look like a ball. We do the same with the other chunk. We can press it first to make it soft and then roll it in our palms. Make sure it's a smooth round ball. Then we're gonna press it with the thumb. Okay, we took a little too much clay. So we're gonna take a little less of the clay so that our wheels are of proper shape and size according to our school bus. So we need to roll it again to make it a ball. That's a smaller ball, which goes well with our school bus. We do the same with the other one. Press it to spread it to look like a wheel. So that's the front wheel. With the second one, we press it with the thumb, flatten it, and that's our second wheel. Now we're gonna make two small balls with white clay. We're gonna roll it between our fingers like this, and then press it a little bit to flatten it and put in the center of the wheel. Now the other small white ball goes on the other wheel. Make sure you press it and place it in the center of the black wheel. So our wheels are completed. We're gonna take the white color clay again, almost the same quantity, for the headlights. We're gonna roll it, flatten it, and place it in front of the school bus like this. That's the headlight. And now we're gonna take a little more clay, white color, and roll it on the tabletop like this. Make sure it's very thin. Let's place it here and measure it against the bus. If there's any extra, we'll remove it. We can take the help of a knife. And now we're gonna make the windows. In order to make the windows, we're gonna take little chunks of white clay again. And we're gonna roll it on the tabletop. And place it perpendicular to the previous one and cut out the extra. We roll a little more clay, and that strip we can place here, and we can take out the extra one after we smooth out. So we have made 1, 2, 3 windows. Alright, so the school bus is ready to go to the school. Let's take it out and let's go to school on our school bus.